everyone, this is Shraddha and welcome back to my channel. First of all, let me wish you all a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. I finally managed to set up my bullet journal for 2019 and I'm so excited about this one. First, let me show you all the supplies that I have used in this video, starting with this bullet journal. It's actually a sketch journal. I decided to get this one because the pages are really thick and there are less chances of any ink leaks. Then there are these Microns. These are the perfect pens to use for journaling. I've recently come to like this Pilot pen a lot. I've used this one the most for this setup. I have also used the silver gel pen for the setup. I also used this black Tombow brush pen and this Camlin black brush pen to fill in my headers. I'll be sure to link all the supplies I've used down below in the description box if you want to go check it out yourselves. This month's theme is inspired by my love for really simple and minimalistic setups. Hopping right in, I wanted to start this journal with a quote page that said Hello 2019. It's a simple page, but it also kind of sets up the style I was going for in my bullet journal. This next page is the 2019 at a glance, which is a little tedious to make because you have to draw so many miniature calendars. But I do like how this looks. It's a really nice way to start off your bullet journal. I use a silver gel pen on the top of the black boxes for my calendar headers. For my key, I cut out a piece of paper and folded it like a card. On the front section, I wrote down my key. I didn't want to make a key at the start of my journal because every time I needed it, I would have to go back to the front page. So I decided to make a pop-out or a fold-out key. I don't know what to call it yet. I glued the back of the key at the last page of my journal. This way I can have the key with me every time I'm putting something down in my journal. On the next few pages, I decided to make my future log. I made this black and white banner which I really like, and you'll see me make a lot of these in this setup. Sticking to the black and white theme, I cut out 12 square pieces of black paper. I made the miniature calendars on them and stuck them in the respective months using a double tape. Which, by the way, the most difficult thing in the whole setup was trying to remove the top layer of the double tape. Since I had a little space left after the future log, I decided to use this section to write down any important notes. On the next page, I made 4 sections for my goals. I feel it's important to write down your goals at the start of the year so you know what you're working towards. I also decided to write a quote or rather a question at the bottom. How bad do you want it? On the next page, I have my quote page. Just a little motivational reminder, you are capable of amazing things. The next few pages are my favorite from this setup. I cut out pieces of black paper in a random shape. I decided to put pictures of the best memories from each month. I do the borders for the pictures using my Polaroids, and I really love how this has turned out. Next, I decided to make a YouTube ideas page so I can write down all the video ideas I have for my channel. I always write down all my video ideas on random pieces of paper. This way I can have them all in one place and in an organized manner. And the next page is my bucket list for 2019. I decided to write a little quote on the bottom of the page on a black piece of paper. And finally, the last page, which is my gratitude log. Just a little space to write down some positive affirmations and things that I'm grateful for. Alright you guys, that's about it for this video. Let's see a final flip through. Hope you guys like the setup. I won't be uploading a video next week, so I will upload another video in a day or two. It's my January plan with me, so be sure to check it out. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Hope you all have an awesome New Year's, and I'll see you guys soon. Cheers!